pagdating ninyo. For those who do not know me, I'm the only brother ni brother slash princess, ha? Brother ni Ben, I'm second from the eldest, G. Okay, so we'll start by introducing our parents. May daddy,
Super English.
may daddy and, hindi, sige, daddy ko na lang, at saka mama ko. May mama, Maria Dolores Noble. Yung daddy ko, ayan, baka may hawak na yun ng isang bote ng San Miguel. Ano siya yun? Hindi, inurong lang pala.
Go na.
So, before we formally start yung program, mini program lang naman, kasi sweet lang naman na supposedly birthday celebration ilang weeks na ganito. Hirap pala, Mars, no?
Parang hindi malakas. Dito ka kasi, hindi ka nakikita
Let's
kaya.
start
Dito
with
kayo.
an opening prayer.
Dito kayo.